What is the poet accepting from fishermen? To think and stop harming the fish, to find more fish, to go deeper into the sea or none. To think and stop harming the fish. Why is the poet asking everyone not to speak any language? To avoid loud voices, to avoid people, to avoid noise, to avoid conflicts and misunderstandings. What does the poet want people to do for 1 second? To stand quietly, to close eyes, to sing, to be silent and motionless. How long is the poet accepting everyone to stay still? For 12 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 1 second till we count 12. According to the poet, wars that are fought have no weapons. Survivors, fighter planes, soldiers, survivors. Not move our arms. What does this expression refers to? Stand quietly, sitting still without any movement. To be inactive, still quietly. What can the human being learn from nature? Keeping quiet, working with silence, beauty, to be happy, working with silence. What can be the cure or an antidote of violent action? Polished language, practice of silence, wise words, speaking practice. Practice of speaking practice. Speaking practice. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm tortoise, seahorse, mermaids, or whales. What does the earth symbolize? Stillness, preservation, and new beginning from sea. The last line of the poem is that there proves to be alive. You keep quiet and I will go. Life is what it is about. Want no truck and with death. You keep quiet and I will go. What does the life of the poem suggest? Inactivity, maintenance of silence, noise, unhappiness, maintenance of silence. What does number 12 represent? Hours of the day and months of a year. How does the poet prescribe life? A continuous evaluation of nature as silence, as stillness, a noisy place. According to the poet, what creates barriers? Interaction, languages, reaction, or fighting? Languages. What is always alive even when everything seemed to be dead or still? Sun, rivers, earth, and nature. Man need to learn a lesson from sun, star, moon, or earth. Earth. What does the hurt hand refers to? Growing insensitivity of man to pain, growing needs. What symbol from nature the poet uses to prove that keeping quiet is not totally inactivity? Earth, sun, nature, and earth. What is the original language of the poem? Spanish. How will silence benefit the man and nature? Man will stop hurting nature and both will heal themselves. What symbol from nature the poet uses to prove that keeping quiet is not totally inactive? Nature and earth. What is the sadness in the poem that the poet speak about? Unnecessary movement, speaking aloud, fighting violence because of unthoughtfulness of the people. Why is the poet asking everyone not to speak any language? To avoid people, to avoid loud voice, to avoid conflicts and misunderstanding. What are the different kinds of war mentioned in the poem? War against nature, war with gases and fire, war against humanity, all this.